Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Regina. How are you doing today?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
Great, I'm good, thank you. I cannot see you.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, sorry, one thing. Video is off, I think. Now it's okay?
Yes, I can see you now. So how? Oh, what's the time there?
Here 4:30. Morning 4:30.
Oh God. How did you wake up so early in the morning?
I wake up usually 5:30 like that.
Oh, and today it's so early.
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, okay.
uh,
Yes, Regina, after a few days, one of my
okay,
trainees would be ending his session and will move
okay.
your classes between 5:30 and 6:30, whichever time is convenient for you. All right? We'll do that.
Okay. And you gave me other time 6 to 6:32. I think you gave two times.
I gave you initially, today I gave you 7:45 to
Ah,
8:15. However,
oh,
as you were not, yeah, that's fine.
that is
That's
very
fine.
okay.
That is
Okay.
absolutely fine. We'll move you between 5:30 and 6:30 p.m.
Ah,
Just this week, my trainees session would end, and that should be okay afterwards.
okay. Which is that time?
That's between 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Is that okay with you?
Okay. Yeah, I am okay that day.
That's
Yeah,
wonderful. That's
yeah.
wonderful.
Otherwise, very busy morning. That's why everybody want to go. That's why very hard day.
I understand. I totally understand. So,
Thank you for understanding me in that.
you're welcome. Okay, but I am absolutely glad that you have woken up at what 4:30 a.m. for these sessions. That is amazing. Maybe I won't do that. You've done that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so what are your plans for today? What do you do today in the morning? Your kids don't go to school as of now, isn't it?
Yeah, not going to school, but they have online classes as how they are doing at school, like that they are doing by online.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, from 8:30 to 3:15, they
Oh.
continuously sit in front of this laptop.
Oh.
Especially
Okay.
my daughter and my son also only 15 minutes break. Sometimes they will give.
Uh-huh.
Otherwise, they will give around 11:30 to 12:30, 12:40. That
Okay.
is their break time.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, they should be here and they have to do homework like that. They will give more works and the teacher is in online.
Mm-hmm.
If they want any clearing doubts,
Mm-hmm.
they can contact the teacher like
Oh
that.
God. Okay.
They don't
Okay.
let them to go somewhere.
Yeah, absolutely. Otherwise, children won't pay attention if they don't. If the teacher is not there, children won't pay
Yeah,
attention. And the small kids, how would
yeah.
they? Yes. So, what grade is your son in? Your daughter is in the
My
second
son is
grade.
in second grade. My daughter is in grade 8.
Ah, okay. All
She's
right.
13-year-old.
Right. All right. Okay. Great. Awesome. So, how is the weather there? I'm sure it must be quite cold.
Yeah, quite cold. And I think little bit sunny today, but cold. Just
Okay.
starting days of winter now. That's
Yes.
why not too much cold, but cold.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Maybe this middle of this month, I think last week snowing.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah,
How many months, or rather, how many days does it snow there? For how long does it snow there?
yeah. I think from October to April, May. October to April, the snow is coming.
It
Last
snows.
year, yeah, last year I think they feel like a 53 like that. Minus,
53 minus 53.
yeah, minus 40. Yeah, or usually it will go minus 40, but last day so severe,
Mm-hmm.
around 50 to 53.
That's astonishing.
Yeah,
Wow.
most of
My
the days it was warning last year.
Ah, do you go out in minus 40 degrees?
Yeah, if we go to work or sometime, we should go to, I am going by bus.
Uh-huh.
That's why sometime we need to go outside and waiting for bus like that.
Oh my
But
goodness.
we will do all clothing, but sometime after 5 minutes is not secure. Our
Okay.
hands, palm will get freezing and
Yes, yes, that's true. Minus 40 is that's really bad.
yeah, very hard time. This
Yes.
snowing is and so much darkness after 3 o'clock, 3 p.m.
Uh-huh.
evening. Darkness, it will get dark.
Ah,
Little bit, and around 6 o'clock, fully dark.
wow,
Yeah,
wow.
but in summer, it's okay. I think around 11 o'clock, darkness is coming.
Sunsets
10:30,
around ah,
yeah, that fully is bright that time.
that's nice. That's
Only two
nice.
months.
Okay. Okay, all right. Great. Wonderful. I will learn a lot from you about Canada. I will know a lot about Canada from you. Thank you for telling me so much.
Yeah, Canada is very good country, but this weather is only the badly affecting.
Yes, but I think it's a good country to live in. Many people
Yeah,
migrate.
that is good, but this weather everybody affecting badly. Every people,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. How does it affect you? Does it affect your mood?
Yeah, a lot of people have depression and like that because
Yes.
of this weather. Most of some, if we try to stay at home, it is very really hard.
Yeah, that's true. I thought so. So I asked if does it affect the mood? Because we'll
Yeah,
get depressed by, we'll get sadness by this
yeah,
weather.
yeah, sure. Because we can see anybody.
Ah, okay.
Nobody is going outside.
After 3 p.m. when it's the winter season.
Yeah, from morning to evening, they will go their own vehicles.
Mm-hmm.
And if they want to go bus, they just go that time only.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, nobody want to go outside.
Ah,
Because outside means they will go, but like in summer, nobody going, not
yeah, yeah.
spending outside.
Yeah, they don't spend time outside. I
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
I completely understand. And it's depressing. It's
Yeah.
depressing. That's true. That's true. Okay, great. I will know a lot about Canada from you. I will learn a lot. Thank you very much. Let's start now. We'll do some vocabulary today. All right. We'll do
Okay.
some vocabulary. We'll learn new vocabulary. And then we'll move on to grammar portion.
Yeah, okay.
And we'll do some speaking activities as well.
Okay, sure.
All
Yeah.
right. Great. Okay. So how do I send it to you? Do I send it to you on WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do that. Okay.
Yesterday you sent one reading session. I did that.
You read that?
Yeah. It was about Komodo dragons.
Yes. Did you do it
Yeah.
before, by the way? Did you hear about it earlier?
No, it's the first time I heard about this.
Wonderful. So that is what we want to do. You will gain a lot of knowledge and then our confidence increases. Now you know what a Komodo dragon is. I also didn't know
Yeah,
earlier,
sure.
but
Yeah.
now I also know. Okay, let's see. I've sent you the vocabulary. Please check.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
I've sent it on WhatsApp.
Okay. I got it.
Great. Okay, let's read it.
Breathtaking view.
Okay.
An extremely beautiful view.
Right.
Second, far off destination.
Yes.
Somewhere a long way away.
Right.
Third, to get away from it all. To take a holiday to escape a busy or stressful lifestyle.
Yeah.
4, hordes of tourists. Crowds of tourists.
Right.
5, long weekend. An extended weekend holiday including Friday or Monday.
Yes.
6, to go sightseeing. To go around the tourist sites. 7, tourist trap.
Yes.
Somewhere where too many tourists go.
That's right. That's right. So these are some vocabulary that we can use for, so I'm sure there are many breathtaking views in Canada, aren't there? There would be, there's the Niagara Falls.
Yeah, no, that is not here. That is in Toronto. I think
Ah,
6 hours of traveling, around 6 hours. So, yeah,
ah,
by car,
okay.
by flight, I think 4 hours of
Ah,
traveling
okay.
from
Have you
here.
been
Yeah,
there? Have you been there?
I did. No, I didn't. I want to go this year. We planned, but
Uh-huh. Again,
yeah.
Corona. Everything is about Corona now. Okay, so yes, I am sure the Niagara Falls would be a breathtaking view, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what a breathtaking view is. It's extremely beautiful. I'm sure there are many more in Canada. I'm not aware of that. You would know.
Okay.
To get away from it all, to take a holiday to escape a busy life. Do you want that?
Yeah, sure. Because sometimes we will engage in different activities. Sometimes we feel to go
Yeah.
somewhere different,
Yes.
something different.
That's right. And that's what getting
Yeah,
away from it all is. We want to
yeah,
get away from our busy lives.
sure.
Okay. Now you use it.
Yeah,
Okay. I want to get away from it all. You can always tell your
yeah.
husband.
Okay.
Far off destination. Something which is quite far off from your place. Something somewhere a long way away. That's what far off destination is. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Hordes of tourists, crowds of tourists, somewhere
Horse. How is pronounced horse?
hordes. Yes.
Okay,
Hordes.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Long weekend.
okay.
Do you have long weekends there?
Yeah, Christmas.
Ah,
Near Christmas, this country is celebrating Christmas.
okay.
That's why around 10 days of off days that time.
Oh, that's a holiday season. Yes.
Yeah, kids too.
Yes. Yes.
I
That's right.
think December around 20 to 23 starting the vacation and up to January 1st, 2nd or 3rd.
Ah,
Like that every year.
okay. That's a long holiday.
Yeah.
Okay, great. To go sightseeing, we all know sightseeing means going and visiting some tourist places. That's what
Yeah.
sightseeing places are. Okay. Mhm.
Yeah.
Tourist trap, somewhere where too many tourists go. Are there tourist traps in Canada?
Yeah, I think people is coming here.
Mm-hmm.
I think Banff and Jasper, it is very beautiful places here.
Okay.
Lot of mountains and sceneries
All right.
there.
Okay. So you know Taj Mahal in India. You must go to visit the Taj Mahal.
I know I wanted, but I couldn't get any chance to go.
Yes, you must go. Okay. When you come to India next time, you must go to the Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is a tourist trap. So many tourists from around the world go there.
Okay.
We could say it's a tourist trap.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is pronounced? Trap or trap?
A trap. Trap.
Trap.
Yeah.
Trap.
Yes.
I think my letter A
Mm-hmm.
pronunciation is little bit, I think.
That's
That's it.
No, I could
Okay.
understand it very well. Tourist trap.
Okay.
That's okay.
Okay.
All right. Have you understood the meanings?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now start using it as well.
Okay.
Even if it is
Yeah.
out of context sometimes, please use it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Great. All right. So, Regina, today we're going to start with nouns. Okay. As you said, you wanted to do grammar as well.
Okay.
So we'll do
Yeah,
nouns.
okay.
We'll do nouns and we'll quickly move on to our tenses, which are very important. So
Okay.
today we're going to do nouns. All right.
Okay.
What are nouns?
Nouns, I think, is a special meaning words.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
And last day I told my son, I think person,
Mm-hmm.
any things,
Yes, that's right.
things and person and or any places.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sending it here. Yes, of course, you'll be teaching your kids there in school. They
Yeah.
would have
Yeah.
all
My
this.
yeah. Last week they have this same. topic. That's why I.
Yes. Let's read it.
Okay.
Okay. So a noun is a word that refers to a name, place, animal, thing, or an idea, quality. Okay.
Oh yeah.
That's
Yeah.
Yes, yes, tell me.
Yeah. When we tell you about feelings like sadness, happiness, then is a noun.
Yes, it is.
Noun. Yeah. Okay.
It is a noun, yes.
Yeah.
So it could also be an idea or a quality. That is also a noun. Happiness, sadness,
Okay.
tiredness, beauty. These are all
Yeah.
nouns, all right?
Okay.
Okay. Your name, Rajana. My name, Khubru.
Yeah.
Laptop, phone, everything that's been given a name is basically a noun, okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
There are certain types of noun, okay? I will tell you how those are used, and you already know it, but I'll give you a brief about it, all right?
Okay. Yeah.
So there are types of nouns, certain types of noun. Let me send it to you here, okay?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, yes, please see.
Yes. Yes.
Let's read it.
Common noun
Yes.
refers to general things: country, umbrella, table, and chair.
Right.
Proper noun identifies someone or something, a person or a place. Proper noun is always capitalized.
Yes.
Raj, Amar, Akbar, Anthony.
Yes.
And concrete noun identifies a thing that is real and tangible.
Yeah.
Tangible means, what is tangible means?
Something that we can hold and touch. So I can hold this cup, that's tangible. Anything that I can hold into my hands, we can touch it, that's tangible.
Okay.
Okay.
That is also a noun, sir.
Yes, that's a concrete noun. So if something if I can touch this cup, I can hold it, and that's so that's tough, that's hard. That's
okay.
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 There are certain
and hot and cold, hot, cold, like that. That is also nouns.
Yes, that should be. However, can we touch it?
No.
No.
Yeah, just a hot we can just touch. Oh yeah. No, that's not.
No, we cannot touch it. We can. However, hot is an adjective. Okay. It's not a noun. All right. It's an adjective. We'll do it later on. But we still cannot touch it. We cannot touch hot and cold. Can we touch air?
No.
We cannot touch air. So we cannot touch those things. Those are intangible.
Okay.
Okay. We can feel it. But we cannot touch it.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Now there are abstract nouns.
Okay.
Okay.
Represents an idea or a concept: love, friendship, knowledge, happiness, etc.
Yes, that's right. Okay, so I'll explain it to you. Common noun, something that has a common name. So I have two laptops here. Okay.
Yeah.
Laptop. One is some other company. Maybe it's, this one is another company laptop.
Yeah.
But both are called laptops.
Yeah.
Phones. I have a different phone. You have a different phone. However, both of us would have a phone. Okay.
Yeah.
So phone is a common noun. Cup. This cup again is a common noun. Laptop, common noun. Ladies, common noun. Girl, boys, men, common noun. Okay, that's what a common noun is. When it comes to proper noun, the second one is proper noun. What could be a proper noun?
Okay.
I'm sure you know it.
Okay, special names or places.
That's right.
Specific. Yeah, okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
Regina.
Yes.
Khubru.
Yeah, my name is, yeah.
Yes. So I have this Samsung phone. It's a phone. It's a common noun. However, when I give it a name, Samsung phone, it becomes proper noun. Okay. Laptop, which laptop is this? I don't know. This is my husband's laptop. Lenovo. So Lenovo is a proper noun.
Yeah, proper noun.
Yes. That's right. What are
Yeah.
your kids' names?
My daughter is Shiva and son is Mahadev.
Mahadev. So Mahadev and Shiva are proper nouns.
Yeah, okay.
Got it? Understood
Yeah,
the difference?
I understand. Yeah.
Yes. And whenever we have a proper noun, even if it is in the middle of a sentence, we keep the first letter capitalized.
Okay, yeah.
Regina will always start with R caps. Khubru
Yeah.
with K caps. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Concrete noun. Again, something that we can touch. All right. And hold.
Okay.
Got it?
Oh, that is also a name.
Yes. So can I
Okay,
touch you?
real.
Can I touch you? Can I hold you?
I think no, because I'm here. We are.
Yes. But if I
Yeah.
am near you, can I touch
I
you? Can I
touch.
hold you? Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Can I hold this cup? Yes, I can.
Yeah.
So this is a concrete noun as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any confusions?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. Abstract nouns represents an idea or a concept. Okay. Friendship, knowledge, happiness, sadness, something that we can feel. However, we cannot touch it. It's intangible.
Intangible. Okay.
Okay. That's what
Yeah.
an abstract noun is. There are a few more. And
But this cold and hot is different from this.
yes,
We can touch it.
It is.
That's why that is not a noun.
That is not a noun, that is an adjective. And sometimes
Yeah.
it becomes a verb. Sometimes it becomes a verb. So
Okay.
that is not a noun.
Noun.
Okay.
Yeah.
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 Okay. Let's see the other ones.
Countable now. Countable. Countable noun.
Yes.
Okay. One that can be counted: airplane, umbrella, coin, dog, cat, etc.
Yes, that's right. And okay. And then we have uncountable nouns.
Okay. This also nouns.
Yes.
Water, air, milk.
Yeah. These are.
Okay.
And countable nouns are those basically that we can count.
Yeah.
Can we count ladies? If we want to count all the ladies in this world, can we count them?
No, I can't.
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
If we have all the ladies, if we want to count, that's how the population is counted, isn't it? That's how we come to know how many ladies, women are there in this country, or how many men are there. So
no, we can. Yeah. Sorry, we can.
Yes, tell me.
Can we count it?
We can.
Okay.
Yes, we can. So because you are separate, okay? If I want to count, this thing is separate. If I want to count and I start counting, maybe it will take me hundreds of years, I don't know. But we can still count because this is separate, isn't it?
Yeah.
If I want to count all the ladies in this world, we start counting. Maybe it will take a lot of years. However, we can count because we are separate.
Yeah.
We can be held, we can be counted. So we are countable nouns. Okay.
Yeah.
Something that can be counted, just like airplane, umbrella, coins. Now we have a lot of coins or currencies in this world. But if we start counting, we can count it. So these are countable nouns. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Got it?
Yeah.
And your countable nouns have an S. When they become plural, remember this. When they become plural, we add S to them towards the end.
Yeah.
Okay. Lady becomes ladies.
Yeah.
Man. Okay. Man doesn't become man.
Yeah.
It becomes men. Okay.
Men, yeah.
This cup would become cups.
Yeah.
Laptop will become laptops.
Laptops.
So that is how we can also distinguish. Okay.
Yeah. That is countable.
That's countable, right? Okay. We have uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are something that we cannot count.
Yeah.
Okay. Air, oil, water, time. Can we count all these?
We can count.
How can
We cannot.
count? We cannot.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
cannot. So these are uncountable nouns, all right? One more thing. Your uncountable nouns are always considered a singular subject. Remember this, okay? So we cannot say milk are, okay? We keep it to milk is,
Is. Yeah.
okay? All right?
Yeah.
Yes. There are collective nouns. Would you like to read?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Collective noun refers to refer or refer. How to pronounce?
Refer.
Refer.
Yes.
Okay. Collective noun refers to a group of people or things,
Mhm.
class, team, government, bunch, audience, etc.
That's right. So we have given a collective name to a group of people, and that is collective noun, okay?
Yeah.
Again, your collective nouns are treated as singular subjects mostly. There are certain exceptions. However, we'll do it later on, all right?
Yeah.
Collective nouns are also considered singular subjects,
Yeah. Okay.
okay? These
Yeah.
are your nouns, and you don't
Yeah.
need to go very deep into this. You
Yeah.
know it already. So let's
Yeah,
leave
okay.
it here, okay?
Okay. Yeah. And I have one doubt. Last day I told my son, then he asking one doubt to me. Postman.
Okay.
Postman is what is the plural of postman? Okay, no. Postman is a ladies. How we tell postman or postwoman?
Postwoman.
Woman. Okay.
Yes. I'm sure in America and Canada there would be postwomen as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, because in India normally we don't have them, but in America you would have. So we'll say postwomen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I also learn along with you. So yes, we do learn. All right. Now tell me what you read about the Komodo dragons. What do you remember?
Sorry, one more time, please.
What did you read about Komodo dragons? And what do you remember? What do you remember? It's okay, you read. What do you remember now?
Okay. Komodo dragons is a it's a rare species. It's a one type of land it looks like a land crocodiles.
Yeah.
It is limited to some special islands.
Yes.
Not all places. In that area too, they are roaming always.
Yes.
Yeah. And this male and female dragons are very big. They're eating a lot. They are catching they are carnivorous.
Yes.
And they are catching their prey in different ways.
Yes.
Yeah. Sometimes they are stealth.
Yes.
I think stealth.
Yes. Yes.
They are stealth. Yeah. They are stealth. They are capturing their prey by stealth. And also when we thinking about their offspring, at the time around 30 eggs per one female Komodos.
Okay.
And they're hatching. I think 3 months need to hatch.
Okay.
Hatch.
Okay. Yes.
After hatch out, as soon as it is very small, as soon as they came out of that egg, they climb on the trees and they sat over there and live there up to 4 years. Otherwise, this big crocodile, big dragon someday will eat. Because the studies never shows that they are not good. They are never good parents.
Oh, okay.
Due to the carnivorous nature, maybe they will eat this offspring too.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why they are staying on the trees up to 4 years. After that, came down from the tree and live with the other Komodos. It is not in extinct species. They are not included in extinct species because around around 300 or I think 300 Komodos all over the world. Yeah.
So they are endangered. They are
Yeah,
endangered.
okay. Endangered means they are dangerous.
Yes, not dangerous. They are about to get extinct if we don't take care of them.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That is endangered.
And where do they live, by the way?
Sorry?
Where are they? Where do they live? There's only one island in one country where they live.
That is a Komodo. Yeah. That place is called Komodo, I think. Yeah.
Okay. Where?
I think around 5 islands.
Yeah.
They are living. Can I see this?
Yes.
I
sure.
want to. I think. Okay. How we pronounce San Diego Zoo or San Sandiego Zoo?
Santiago.
Oh, San Diego. Yeah. Oh, I forgot that place. I think one island in Komodo areas.
So they are in Indonesia.
Oh yeah, Indonesia. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. They are in Indonesia, and maybe they are in some of the zoos, as you said, around the world. Yeah. But isn't it a very scary lizard?
No, it's a very I think fierce in nature, that because it is a like bigger and like a crocodile.
Yes.
And it look like a small dragon. Yeah.
Isn't it scary?
Yeah.
I feel so scared even looking at it in the videos.
Yeah, and also venomous saliva too. If one's attacking any enemies, it will die around 24 hours.
Wow. You've read it wonderfully, Regina. Yeah, I'm so glad you remember most of the things. Okay, great. Yeah, its saliva is venomous, as you said.
Yeah, venomous. Okay, venomous.
Yeah.
Okay, venomous.
Yeah, venomous. Venom.
Yeah, okay.
And venomous.
Okay, venomous.
I'm sure if you tell your kids, your daughter, your daughter is in the 8th grade, isn't it?
8th grade, but they are interesting to hear all things.
Yes. So
especially my son.
Okay, so if you tell them, they'll be absolutely interested, like I was when I heard about it. Yeah, great. Okay, so we'll be reading a lot more, and whenever you are reading, Regina, do pay attention to each and every word that you're reading. That is going to help you a lot. Okay.
Yeah.
Is, am, are, every small word, the prepositions, when you're reading, do pay attention to that. All right?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Wonderful. I'll give you the feedback and then we'll end the session.
Okay, thank you.
I know you would want to sleep sometime more.
No. Okay, because I want to learn, because I like this language now. That's why I want to know more about this. That's
wonderful. We'll have a lot of fun while learning. Okay. Let me give you the feedback. Everybody wants to go. Instead of saying want, we'll say everybody wants to go.
Okay.
Okay, not want.
Everybody wants. Yes. It's a plural way we should. Okay.
No, it's not plural. It's considered everybody, somebody, nobody. These are considered singular subjects. So with the verb, we'll add S or ES. I'll tell you later on how it is, but you will say everybody wants to go. Okay.
Okay.
Last week, snowing.
Yeah.
We'll say last week it snowed. It snowed.
Snowed. Okay.
Yeah. S-N-O-W-E-D. Snowed.
Okay.
Okay. Last week it snowed.
It's ITS. It's snowed.
It's snowed. It will be it. IT. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Not it's. It snowed.
It snowed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
At the ending of ed, how we pronounce?
We end with ed, so we pronounce like ed. Snowed,
Okay,
remembered,
okay,
talked,
okay.
walked.
Talked.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll say like that. Even if
Yeah,
it is,
okay.
even if we cannot hear it sometimes because it is
Okay.
not very clear, but you should say it like that.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Snow is coming. Not snow is coming. We can say it will snow in a few days. It
Okay.
can snow in a few days. It snows every day. Something like this. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
When we start with tenses, you will be further clear on how to say these sentences.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Usually it will go minus 40 degrees.
Okay.
Usually it
It will
is.
go.
It
It
is.
is.
It is minus
Okay.
40 degrees. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Usually it is go minus
No,
40
not go.
degree.
Not go. Usually
Okay.
it is. It is minus
Okay.
40 degrees.
Okay.
Okay. I am going by bus.
Okay.
So we won't say I am going by bus. We will say I go by bus.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Breathtaking. Breathtaking, not breathe. Breathtaking.
Okay.
Okay.
Breath. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. As you said, hordes. Hordes of tourists. Hordes.
HOLDS.
HORDES. Hordes of tourists.
Okay.
Yes.
How we pronounce hordes?
Hordes. Yeah. Hordes. Yeah.
Okay. R is silent.
Almost. Yes.
Okay. Hordes, not hordes.
No.
I pronounce, I think, hordes.
Okay. No.
Yeah,
Hordes of tourists.
hordes.
Hordes of tourists.
Okay,
it will
hordes.
almost sound like the R is silent. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Hordes of tourists.
Okay. Yeah.
Want. Want.
Want. WONT.
No. WANT.
Okay.
Want. Not. We will not say want. We'll say want.
We should say want.
Yeah.
Want.
Yeah.
I have always a doubt about that. Thank you.
You're always welcome. I want a glass of water.
Okay.
Not want. I want a glass of water.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
This country is celebrating Christmas. This country celebrates Christmas.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am absolutely glad that you're noting it down. That's wonderful. Thank you.
This country celebrates Christmas. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. Last day. Instead of saying last day, we could say yesterday.
Okay. Okay.
Not last day. All right.
Yeah.
What will we say?
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Yeah.
Okay. And I have one doubt. We are telling, we are pronouncing want.
Yes.
Then how we pronounce will not?
That is won't.
Want. This is
war.
Want.
Yes. I want.
Yes.
And that is I won't.
Won't.
Yes.
Okay. I won't and want.
Yes. I won't go to the office today.
Okay. I want. I means I want to go.
Yes.
I want go to office today. I want a cup of milk. That means I don't want means will not. That is I won't.
That is वो होता है ना, वो लड़की. If we say in Hindi, वो लड़की. You see वो. Yes. वो won't. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there's a difference. Let me say it once again. I want a glass of water.
Yeah.
I won't go to America.
Yeah.
Okay. See the
Yeah.
difference? There's a bit of
Yeah.
difference. It will come through. Don't worry. We'll do it.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
So last day, not last day, but we'll say yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes.
Yesterday. Okay. Yeah.
Yesterday. Okay.
Yesterday. Yeah.
Yeah. Fiercing. Not fiercing.
Fiercing.
Fierce. It's a fierce
Fierce.
creature.
Okay. So fierce.
Yes.
Fierce. Are silent there?
No, no, no. It's not silent. Fierce.
Fierce.
Yeah.
Fierce. Fierce.
Yeah. Fierce.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's about it. That's about it.
Yeah.
I am sure as you have noted it down, you will go through it and you will, next time, you will take care of it. I'm absolutely sure.
And I have one more doubt.
Yeah, yeah.
When we talking about these usual things, that means this country celebrates Christmas. I go by bus.
Mhm.
That is the usual thing. That's why we never need ing.
Absolutely. You bang
Okay.
on. You spot
Yeah.
on. That's what it is.
Okay.
Once we start the tenses, I'm sure it will be further clear to you. As you said,
Yeah, okay.
when it is usual, when it is likes and dislikes, we won't
Okay.
use the ing form. We won't need it.
Okay. We want.
We won't. Yes.
Want. Okay.
Yes.
That is want and want.
Yes. Yes.
Want means WANT. Want.
Uh-huh.
Want means will not.
Will not. Yes. That's
Okay.
right.
Want and want.
Yes.
The ending is different. Ending is different.
The A sound is like apple, want.
Yeah.
And the O
Okay.
sound is like O, wo, won't.
That is a will. That is will not.
That is will not. That's right.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry. O sound is for will not.
Will not. Yes.
That is won't. Won't.
Wonderful. That's right.
Okay.
And war,
Want.
war, How
Okay.
do I say?
One.
War,
Wo.
want. Yeah.
That is I want to go.
I want
like to go. Okay.
Yeah. I want to go to America.
Yeah. That is want. Want.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Want. Yeah.
Great. All right. Yes.
Yeah. How we use rather.
Rather and
Mom told while we talking. Mom told like that rather. Use of rather.
rather.
In one sentence. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. I'd rather. I'm giving you an example sentence, and
Yeah,
I can
yeah.
explain it tomorrow. I'd
Yeah, okay.
rather go to America than Antarctica.
Okay.
Instead of, we could say it like instead of.
Okay. Rather means instead of.
Yes. Yes. Somewhere we
Okay.
can use it like just like instead of. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
Basically, it's someone's preference. I'd rather go to America than to go to
Yeah.
Antarctica because Antarctica
Okay.
is frozen. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
You could choose it to compare and to prefer.
Okay.
All
The
right.
preferring things we can say first.
Yes.
That means.
Yes, you could.
That means. Okay.
Mhm.
I rather go to India. Like that. I rather go to India means I prefer to go India.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Then maybe Switzerland.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Great.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll have to end the session now,
Yeah. Okay.
Regina, and
okay.
we'll meet tomorrow at the same time. All
Okay.
right.
Sure. Yeah.
See you tomorrow, and I'll send you the home assignment.
Okay.
All right. See you. Have a
Yeah.
great
Okay.
day. Bye.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.